Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Elisa Sabrina with student ID number 250701092. I'm from class A2, Faculty of Law, Department of Legal Study, first semester student. Okay, so here I'll explain local culture related to English course. The Batok Mandailing traditional wedding tradition is a series of very comprehensive and sacred ceremonies, often called harja, or traditional feasts, which aims to unite to extend families according to the kinship principle of Dalihan Natolu, Mora, Kahanggi, Anak Boru. Approach period enter agreement. This is done before the marriage contract and the main traditional ceremony. Proposing to or asking for a woman's hand in marriage. The initial approach stage, where the man or Bayapangoli visit the prospective woman's family or Borunanioli to ask about the continuation of the relationship and its seriousness. Choosing a prospective woman to be his wife, the man's family finds out the background and lineage of the prospective woman. Unifying or harmonizing talks, a meeting between the two parties to get an official answer from the woman and discuss general requirements. Convey or correct words, formal proposal to strengthen the agreement. The discussion concerned the time of the ceremony and customary requirements, including the amount of gold, dowry, or gift. Handing over harness money or dowry. Handing over gold by a man's family to a woman's family, often accompanied by rhymes in traditional conversation. Wedding at the bride's house. After the marriage contract, it was continued with the ceremony of sending of the bride. Giving traditional food to guests or certain parties. A meal together at the bride-to-be's house. This is the last meal for the girl and her family before moving to her husband's house, as a form of farewell and provision of blessings. Traditional bride handover ceremony. A ceremony to send off or escort the bride from her parents' house to her husband's house. The bride's father hands over his daughter to his son-in-law. The bride's mother will carry a juvenile hand, a symbol of progression, and give her daughter a water container or kettle. Traditional festival. This is the culmination of the celebration held at the groom's home. This feast is often called Harja Godang, big feast, if a buffalo is slaughtered and the Gordang Sambilan is worn. Deliberating or discussing the assignment of tasks to the woman. Deliberation before a party held at the man's house to divide tasks and plan events for all elements of Dalihan Natolu. Welcome and pick up the bride. The processing welcoming the bride and her entourage. The bride and groom are paraded, accompanied by Gordang Sambilan, Pencak Silat, and a processing of family members. Requesting that Gondang music be played. Ritual of playing the Mandailing's royal musical instrument, Gordang Sambilan, which must first be permitted by the traditional kings before being played. The core or main point of a traditional festival. The peak event of the festival is filled with tortor dance by the traditional kings Subud, Kahanggi, Anak Boru, and Mora in sequence. In this event, a traditional assembly is also held, bringing the bride and groom to Tapian Raya Bangunan, a processing to cleanse oneself of negative traits from being single. Cover lime, pandan leaves, and fragrant leaves are tied together with banana stems or silinjuang leaves, dipped in water and then sprinkled on the heads of the bride and groom. The granting or confirmation of an honorary title according to custom. The granting of a traditional title to the groom by traditional kings after consultation. After the wedding. Symbolic food offering as a prayer and blessing to the newlyweds. The final and most important ceremony, namely giving traditional advice and calling back the tondi spirits or souls of the bride and groom by serving traditional food containing symbols of hope such as Sibonang Manita rice, aims to ask for blessings so that bride and groom are safe, healthy, and have a happy family. Determining a good day to hold a traditional party or wedding. A return visit by the bride and her husband to the woman's parents' house several days after the traditional party. Well, that's my brief explanation of the local culture of the Batok Mandailing traditional wedding tradition. Thank you, and I apologize if there are any errors. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye-bye!